get started, this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. As you can see, my collection from Ana Luisa is growing so big, and I just love my collection and where it's at. I love to mix and match different pieces. At this point, I feel so naked without layering all of these pieces from Ana Luisa onto my body. I feel like it is the perfect touch to finish off every single outfit that I have. Because no matter how plain or casual an outfit is, you can always elevate it and take it to the next step by adding some high quality dainty gold jewelry. As you guys know, Ana Luisa is by far one of my favorite jewelry brands that I've ever had the pleasure of working with. They offer all types of different jewelry, from cute to elegant designs, all at a fair price point for luxury pieces. If you guys haven't checked out Ana Luisa already, click on my link in the description box to get a discount on your next order. Good morning. So I just got up, had some breakfast real quick, and put on my makeup. Kind of a busy day today. I'm shooting with my friend Anise for Ayumi's winter collection for her brand Dear Sisterhood. So I just wanted to show you guys my outfit for today. So I'm gonna be shooting this coat from her collection. It's like part of her winter collection. Super cute. So I think that I'm going to wear my Miu Miu blouse with this Peter Pan collar, and then to match the blue jacket, I'm going to wear this blue pleather mini skirt from Aritzia. I did a vlog where I was shopping at Aritzia. I got this in New York. These tights from Tutu Anna, which I'm really excited about because like finally I can be warm. So there's like different warmth levels. Perfect. I'm so excited. I was freezing this entire first week of being here in Tokyo. I was freezing to death, and I was like, damn, how do these like cute Japanese girls wear literally like nothing during the winter with their like mini skirts and whatnot? And then my friend was like, oh, you know, they're wearing like skin colored tights, and I was like, damn it, that makes a lot of sense. Ta-da! This is the outfit, and my little skirt. This is actually my favorite skirt right now. And ta-da! This is my outfit for today. Okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna grab a taxi so that I don't have to walk to the station because I'm not about that today. Cute! It's kind of cute. Actually, maybe. Ready, one. I had some free time between my shoot and between my next reservation. Spoiler alert, it's the Mini Pig Cafe! This is one of my favorite places to eat in Omotesando. This place is called Yasaiya Mei, which I died because it literally means veggie shop Mei. But they have this really awesome seasonal menu, and you know, you kind of just get like a little bit of everything, and you eat it with rice, and it's very fresh and awesome and delicious. 3 pigs in a blanket. Oh my god, 3 pigs in a blanket. Oh my god, you guys. You guys. It chose you. It chose me. Oh, hey. Hi. You guys are coming to me. They're coming to me. Hey, stop eating it. It's very popular. I think the most popular is this camera. Their sounds are so satisfying. How do they have just 4 consistently? Oh, I see. Hello! Alex showed us this really cool spot which is new. It just opened up in the last year, and it's on top of the IKEA in Harajuku. But look at how beautiful this is. A present for you guys.
Oh, what?
My host.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What?
What is
Whoa!
Oh, they're matching.
Right.
He looks so snap.
Yeah, but then there's you get to see it.
So snatched. IG filter. Hi! くるみちゃん、久しぶり。やっほー。かわいい、かわいい。キング、久しぶり。たいちゃん。あー、かわいい、かわいい。乾杯しよう。乾杯しよう。乾杯。いいね
これもう足折れるんだ。でも私は大丈夫だよ。私は大丈夫だよ。
ありがとう。ありがとう。
マジで。
ありがとう。ビデオを撮ります。はーい。ビデオ。わあ、かっこいいよ、くるみちゃん。はい、みんな。またね。See you soon。落ちたわよ。落ちたわよ。
かわいい。
これで3日はね。
I haven't had this in 3 years. Muscat! Shine Muscat season! Oh! These look like grapes, but they're not just grapes. They're like giant, delicious, super mega grapes. I'm not selling it at all, but oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, we have to get these.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah?
This is the
What?
biggest persimmon I've ever seen in my
Oh.
life. Look at how
Oh, sorry.
big it is.
There we go.
Compared to my face.
It's at least half your face.
Okay, we have to get 2 of these.
Here we are at the grocery store.
We're shopping.
We actually have a really funny assortment here.
Yeah,
Mostly fruits
mostly
and
fruits.
some essentials.
Some essentials.
Some new essentials.
New essentials, soy body.
Soy body. 15 grams of protein.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah, I am too.
Yeah, I'm excited.
And some flowers.
Pretty, pretty. I'm excited. We've got a lot of these like kind of like healthy stuff. So like I was obsessed with this when I used to stay here a lot. It's like your daily servings of fruit and veggie. And then what else? Mix at doctor's orders. This is for me. Vitamin lemon. Hi. It's kind of sprinkling a little bit. It's a little bit cold, but we finished all of our shopping today. Commercial for Hakone.
Yeah, really.
You guys, this is the first time I've had Shine Muscat in 3 fucking years because we don't have these in America. Look at how massive these guys are. It's like this bigger than my nose. This is the best day of my life.
Really good.
Yeah. Today I am doing a solo shopping trip and I'm going to be hitting up 2 of my favorite locations, which is the Loft store and also the Tokyu Hands in Shibuya. And I actually like to do this haul solo so that I can spend literally 5 hours lost in stationery and stickers. So I'm getting some letter sets and I like how they separate the letters in sort of these like paper pads from the letters, so you can sort of like mix and match. I thought it was really charming. And then I also went to the wax seal section and I picked up a wax seal that has the letter M on it. And I also got this cool little candle holder so that I can melt wax on top. I stopped by Shibuya Parko just to get a little coffee break and it was really yummy. I really enjoyed it. I took this time to just like catch up with some friends on FaceTime from America and it was really nice and really soothing. I love solo shopping trips, honestly. The next place that I'm going to is the Loft store in Shibuya. I honestly think this is my favorite store. I don't know what to call it. It's kind of like a really, really, really cool Target. Like way better than Target, but it's kind of like, it's got everything. It's like, I don't know how many floors, like 6, 7 floors, and every floor has a different category. And I love coming here, as you guessed, for the stationery. When I come on these stationery hauls, I do these like, you know, once a year, and in this case, once every 3 years, and I go crazy. I spend like $500 on stationery because I stock up for years. So I am stocking up on some things that I ran out of, and I'm also buying a bunch of cute new things. I got these really cute Spy Family stickers. Ah, so cute. I'm interested in starting to learn how to shoot some film. So Anise actually recommended these super cute, tiny, reusable film cameras. So I'm actually gonna buy this pink one, and then I'm gonna buy some film and try to learn how to shoot film. I won my 50-50. Oh my god, I won my 50-50 and it only took me like 60 pulls? Holy shit, I didn't have to spend a single dollar. I don't know when that's ever happened to me in Genshin. Oh sweet, now I can just lay in bed and play Genshin and build Nahida for a little bit while my period gets better. Ugh, thank god. Hi, good morning. So, I think it's time to explain what's been going on in my life lately, and also to explain, like, I guess, like, why I'm in Tokyo and why I'm here for so long. And also some people were saying like, oh, like, where's she been? I miss her. Yeah, I've kind of just been like going through some changes in my life and trying to figure out like where I want to be and where I want to go. So I actually bought a one-way ticket to Tokyo, and I don't have a return date planned as of now. I know at some point I will return to America because I want to visit my family for like Lunar New Year's. Oh, I have the biggest tickle in my nose. I'm actually considering moving to Japan for a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna be forever, but I'm also open to the idea that I would live here for a longer time. But yeah, I'm kind of just feeling into it. That's honestly why I'm here for so long, and I'm just kind of settling into, you know, the pace of life and finding my daily routine and finding my people and reconnecting to old friends. And so that's kind of like the purpose of this extended trip. And it's like a life update that I wanted to give you guys, but I kind of didn't know how to present it because it's like progressing by itself in a way that's unpredictable. I will share more with you guys in the next vlog. But actually, yeah, this is my new apartment in Tokyo as of now. I'm living with my really good friend Ayumi, and we're roommates, and I have a little dog that I take care of with her. So yeah, I've really been like settling in. I think things change when you start paying rent. It's like you're less of a traveler and you're like actually kind of more settling in. Obviously, like I don't want to be like, yeah, like I'm moving to Japan. Like I'm like not making any promises, you know, because I don't know really what's gonna happen. You know, there's like a lot of things that I'm still weighing out because it's like, you know, leaving home, leaving LA where I was like born and raised and the place that I love, but also it's like, you know, there's like room for a new place for me to grow and like settle down in for a little bit. I know that I took quite a break from YouTube. I think honestly I was just kind of figuring out what I wanted to do, and then during that time, you know, the whole I think I want to move across the country thing kind of came up, and so I've just been figuring things out for myself. So it's always nice to take a little break from social media, so that was really nice. But yeah, life update. Now you guys know what's up. And yeah, I will catch you guys again soon next week with another vlog. Bye.